Alright guys, welcome back to this training. In the last video we talked about how to install WordPress. WordPress is all about, and today now we're going to be taking a look at how to install your WordPress theme and plugin. And at the end of the day, we will be able to achieve how to install your theme, WordPress theme, how to install your plugins, where to purchase themes, where to download free themes. That is what we're going to achieve at the end of this video. So let's dive into it and see what we've got. Like we said before, this is your front end after installing your WordPress, and now this is your back end after installation. Now, for you to install your WordPress themes and plugins, all you need to do is to log into your back end. And that reminds me, there are two ways to install your WordPress theme. It's either you go through your WordPress login back end, or you go through the file manager. Now, for you to do that, that means you have to log in the cPanel first. Now, before that, I want to quickly show us some certain things about WordPress theme. Now, the biggest market, the biggest place to install, to buy your theme is quickly logging into is TeamForest. Let's see what we got. TeamForest.com. There are lots, thousands of themes you can find there. Yes, this is the best. This is one of the best marketplace where you get your any type of theme you are looking for. For example, let's take a look at let's say this is all departments. You have WordPress, hosting, HTML, marketing, e-commerce, blah, 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 blah. So what I really do, let's click, for example, business, like business in WordPress. Yes, take a look at a theme that has to do with business. You can see a whole lot of themes, Let's take a look at this one. Let's take a look at let's look at bestseller. Through the bestseller, let's say one of the best. I'm going to say one of the best themes, we have. All right, Avada here, definitely I've used Avada before. Avada is one of the best themes so far, to tell you the truth. You can see the amount $60 and see the reviews, 33.2 thousand persons and 593,000 sales. Wow, that's beautiful. The S team, you have the S team 6,000. This is another, the S team. And so let's quickly take a look at this S team. I've heard a lot about that S team. Let's take a look at this. And I already heard about something like this. I think I've heard about this B team. Yeah, but I've not really used them. But yeah, Flash-on. This, yes, that website we're talking about, that website we have been working on from that main domain. I use this Flash-on, very nice, very nice. You enjoy it and all that. So these are for business. We have about this about it. Let's preview it. Let's see what we got, how it looks like. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that before you buy, you will need to preview it first. You need to see how it looks like before you make purchase. Yeah, they make that, and they give us that avenue, which I know is so nice. It's okay. Please, before you purchase anything, you preview it and see if you like it and all that. Let's preview all of them and see what we got. Interflow. This, okay, I think I've heard about this Interflow now, but this big team, I think I've heard about it before. I've not really used it. Also, yeah, this platform I've used it. They're very nice. Yes, yeah, this is one of the themes you have now. See, it has been very beautiful and fantastic. Now, this is what you get, and these are the demos. We'll take a look at the demos. You see that they have so many beautiful demo themes. Let's take a look at the default one. Take a look at this default one. It's beautiful, it's sweet. Oh, I love Flash. Flash is cool, it's nice, it's cool. I love it. Yes, this platform is for e-commerce website. Just in case you want to build an e-commerce website, I will recommend Platform for you. Very nice, very cool, and it's very easy to customize. Very easy to customize. You see that? Very easy. I tell you, very easy to customize, and the whole process is cool. Yes, this is for business. You see, wow, this is cool. I love it. I think one of these days I will use it. Let me know what's up. But the look of things is cool. It's nice. Well, at least you can test to this. It's nice. So TeamForest is a place where you come and buy your team and all that. That's for business. So now let's take a look at something like a church. Let's see, church teams. Let's take a look at church. Let's start church WordPress team. Now let's go by bestsellers. Now I always go by bestseller. Why? Because from bestseller you'll be able to know the most WordPress people are using for that particular line of business, like that of church. So the first one you see is this: people use it for church. The first one for and all that. But let's take. We have seen that before. Let's take a look at something creating multiple team, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's take a look at something like this. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's open it and see what we got. Now let's open it and see what we got. And hallelujah. Okay, church code. Let's also take a look at this. Native church. Let's also take a look at this. And yes, let's take a look at those ones. Let's take a look at those. Okay, let's also take a look at this one. Like this. Alright, let's take a look at those ones. The one we have this. Okay, which one is ready? Which one is ready? Network, please favor us now. We have this. We have this. We have this. And we have this. Last thing of the day, we have this. I think I'm going to fall in love with this flare, but let's take a look on how it looks. I'll be showing you in a moment where you can download free themes. So all you have to do, come to your browser, just type Jojo Teams, enter. This website will be this place, marketplace. You can download themes, or you can download themes for free. Good team, quality, good and quality teams. Yes, they are usable. If you ask me, they are usable, customizable, just almost the same thing you have on TeamForest. Oh, I'm giving this aside. These are security. Oh shit. Their security, whatever. Okay, thank God there's a schedule. This is Jojo Teams. You can come here, come to this search bar, and let's say church team. Okay, these are church teams. You see a lot of themes and all that. So let's take a look at let's check. So what I normally do is I'll come here, maybe for example this camera responsive thing. What I will do, I'll copy the name here, go back to Jojo Teams and give it a name to check if it's available on Jojo Teams. There are some things that are not available on Jojo Teams. I see them available here. So this is, you see, this is the theme exactly. This one, the difference between this one and this one is that here they upgraded the version. This is the old version. The new version is not yet here. So you can just let's quickly see how we can download this. So what you need to do now is so click on it. Click on the particular version. This is version 9.3. You click on the version and you scroll down. This link will give you, will take you to the demo, to show you the demo, to take you to TeamForest, to tell you that this thing you are downloading here is from TeamForest. You see that it should now take you back to the TeamForest again and show you how you and tell you to preview it, how it looks like and all that before you download. So one of the best thing you do is to go to Jojo Teams, download it if you cannot afford it. But if you can afford it, fine. You can afford it, fine. Just go and purchase it and you use it for over and all that. So this is the preview and all that. So let's go back to Jojo Teams again. And what you do is scroll down. So they now give you links to download it for free. You get that now? These are the places you need to download it. You download them and you use. So let's really visit the first link. Let's close this. Alright, let's visit this. Let's see what we've got. Let's open that one. Let's open this one again. Then let's open like 3 to 4 of them. See what we can do. There's another one. Let's try this. Alright, let's see the first link. See, it's not found. Let's go with the second one. See, it's telling us that it's safe. It's telling us it's not safe and it's not even found. Let's go back. Let's check the next one. The next one is it available on this site? There's a particular website. There's a particular link that's always available on this Jojo Team that I used to like very much. User cloud, not user cloud. Not this. Okay. Secondly, there's another area. There's another site you can download your theme. It's called wplocal.com. Just enter wplocal.com. Find your suitable one. This one is I think this one is better than that. Then click find, which is what we're looking for. Let's say construction. Search. See that? Let's take a look at this one. Take a look at this one. Let's search anyone that pleases you. Take a look at this. Okay, this one. Let's look at something like this. Okay, this is this. So these are the places you need to download this. Let's take a look at this. Copy the link to another in another tab. Open a new tab. Copy and paste it there, and click on download. Click on download. Wait. Let's see what happens. Let's take a look at something like this. Let's check it on the website to see. if it will be available. So what you know, what you need to do, check all the link. If they got that, because there are some of them, there are some of the link they provide and they provided that the file will not be found. So we have to take our time, take a look at view all of them, and see where it's possible for you to download it. Let's take a look at something like this. Something like this. Alright, see, this one is successful. You can see is downloading. So this is how you download from WP Worker or WP Locker, or you download from Jojo Teams. You see, it's downloaded. I have a powerful WordPress theme which will be using in this tutorial. Now let me go. Okay, there's a particular theme we want to use. Let's check where is that thing. Okay, this is the theme. This is the theme we will be installing. All right. Let's check what we've downloaded. The theme we have downloaded. Wow, finally downloaded. All right, let's take a view. Let's take a look at it. All right, this is it. So what you do, you copy it. Okay, copy it to a particular folder. Right, this is okay. You copy it to a particular folder. You open the folder. You know me, you say team downloaded. Okay, you place it. Now you right click. We are going to extract. We need to extract everything, because any the theme you buy, or once you download the theme, is going to be zipped or rare. It's going to be zipped. So what you do, you need to extract the content inside. So just click on extract here, and boom, there you have it. So this is it. This is what is displayed in the folder. Now this is what you have on the folder. You have this, you have this, you have this is child, Ruby build child, Ruby build itself. This is the child theme and documents and all that. So what you need to know about theme is that they come in zip file. So if it's not zip, it's not going to be successful. When you are uploading it, it will not be successful. So make sure your theme is zipped. And this one, remember, this one is a zipper. You see that zipped. This one is zipped, and this one is zipped. So we can successfully use this. So that's how you download a free theme. Meanwhile, today's training, we are going to be taking a look. I'm going to give you. Remember, I promised us a professional theme and professional theme and all that. So we're going to be using what we call DV. Now, if you understand this DV, it had a lot of advantages. Let's take a look at how about DV. The costs of DV themes, or you can also visit TeamForest. Let's see what it costs. Yeah, you see, $89 per year. You see, $89 per year. Price. Yes, let's see the pricing. You see, per year is $9. You see, very powerful and awesome thing. One license, complete access, unlimited website, blah, blah, blah. So in a lifetime, you have to pay for $249 one-time payments. You have full access, and this one also per year you pay $89. You see, this is a very professional team that will give you everything you need. One of the best teams so far, and that's what I'm going to be giving you for free in this training. That's what we are going to be using in this training. So probably I will be giving you for free of charge. So that's that. So all right, let's go back to our to our site. Now it's time for us to install our team. Remember I told us that if there are two ways to install your team, either from the back end, WordPress back end, or from cPanel. So come to this dashboard. What you need to do is click on appearance and click on team. Click on appearance, click on team. Once you click on that, you see here, then click on add new. Click on, and please try to know where the team is. Then click on upload. Click on choose file. Take you back to your system, to a laptop, to your system. Then where is it? I think some video, web training materials. That's good. And this is the team. Now the one we are going to use is, first of all, there are two types. You have child team and you have what you have the DV itself. Now the child team, what it means, it helps to do is it helps to, once you do modification on the website or you upgrade the website, you don't lose your content. That's why it is very recommended it's recommendable you install a child team. Is very important. So this is our DV, let's say 6 point something zip, and make sure your team is zipped. You see, zip. All right, you click on install, you click on the team and click install. Once installing, if you are using Chrome, you see the progress level is counting. So when we get up to 100, it will be successful. So let's wait a while. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that's successful. The next thing to do now is to click on activate. You activate it. You see, this is the DV. So what the next thing to do now, after installing this, you go back and add new, add the extra child, the child team. Very important. It's like I told you before, the child team helps you to keep your files intact. Even when you are upgrading, it will help. Why did they do that? We have successfully installed our team. Wow, that's cool. Now the next step to take is, we are not going to customize yet, but we are going to click on our dashboard. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we've successfully downloaded, we have successfully installed our team. But I also want to show us how to install your team from the back, from the cPanel. Remember I told us that there are two ways to install. Either you install from cPanel or install from the dashboard. Now come to your cPanel. Let's see. I don't want to show the video. Let's team shopping. Shopping.com/cPanel is where I want to do that. Yes, you log in again to your cPanel. From your cPanel, you enter your password, you enter your username and password again. Click on login. Now from here, click on file manager. From the file manager, you click on _HTML, public _HTML. Then you click on WP content. From the breakaway, you click on teams. From the team, You now come here and upload. Remember that we are not directly under what's it called, under steamshopping.com. Remember we added the indirect to it called what, web design, which is going to be this. But if it is on your main website, if it is on your direct domain, what you need to do is come back here on direct domain. You come back, click on the file manager, and click on public underscore HTML. Then you now click on WP content. This WP content, because we are not using, because you click on this and click on Teams. Remember that I'm already using a theme. Remember I told you that I use flat theme. Now because I'm using this, I'm not going to install another one again. If not, it will not replace here. Don't replace this one. From here, click on upload. Once you click on upload, you click on file. Then you click on, let me say this. So once I click on this, it will now start uploading. But I'm not going to put it here. I'm going to put it on the indirectory that we installed on. So I'm going to go back to file manager again. Public underscore HTML. Then remember that we are working on what, web design. Remember it's web design. So web design, this is where we are installing it. So come back here again, where are we actually putting on our store WP content. All right. You come back here again and locate WP content. Then from here you locate WP content again. We are going on theme. We are not installing plugin, we are installing theme. So you click on theme. Now remember, this is the DV theme we just installed from the WordPress dashboard. Now I want to quickly show how to install it, another one from this channel. So what you're going to do, you click on upload, then click on file, select file, and let's say we want to install DV. Yes, so it will be reading. Once it gets to 100, you see what will happen. All right, you see it has finished uploading. Then you click on this link to go back. Now the next thing to do from here is to click on this on it and right click on the theme, which is newest DV just install. Right click, then you extract it. If you don't extract it, it will not work for you. Please kindly note that. To know what, so what you need to do, you click on extract. Say extract. Yes, as beautiful as it is now, it will definitely work. So you click on close, then you refresh. After refreshing, then let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Refresh, click on the dashboard, and let's visit the theme. Click on theme, and there you have it. So because it's already here, it will no longer going to appear again, because it already seen it that it has been installed. That is how you install your WordPress theme. Now one more before we go, let's take a look at how we can install the same thing as for the plugin. Let's quickly install the plugin. You come here, locate plugin, say new plugin. You take it here, come back here and upload, choose file. What are we installing? Let's install slider revolution. Let's install this slider. This is a plugin. So apart from the theme, every other thing you are installing on the website is they are being regarded as plugin and as widgets. So please don't make that mistake when you want to install a plugin, you mistakenly go and choose a theme and install. It will not work. So when you install plugin, locate your plugin, add new, and install. When you want to click install your theme, click on theme and upload your theme. That's how it works. Then you activate. Then you click on activate. Oh, this really why network is really messing up. Okay, let's quickly before it activates, let's quickly review what we've done so far. Corporate team installation and how to install teams, how to install plugin, where to purchase teams, and where to download free team. Okay, we have successfully done all that. Right, finally it has been activated. All right, let's go back to the dashboard. Let's see what we've got. Go back to dashboard. All right, that's it. Now let's check what we just installed. We just installed slider revolution. And remember, we have also installed our theme, which is called DB theme. This and all that. So from here, you can take it from here to start beautifying our website. So when you let us visit this website now, let's see what if it is showing. Take a look at it. Let's close all this, no more relevance. Alright, so let's visit the front end. Let's see how it looks now. You see, it will not work because there's something we have not done to make it show. Once you do that, it will reflect on the front end. So let's go back. So since we've done that, it is time for us to activate. So before then, there's okay, let's visit our front end. Let's see how it works. Let's see how the new WordPress we installed is. WordPress theme is. So you look at it. So this I say welcome to DB. This is welcome to WordPress, blah, blah, and all that. So this is how it is. So nothing has been installed on this side because we have not done anything. There's a command we have not given it to make the theme show. In our next video, we are going to take a look at how we can give it a command so that it will show. So thank you very much and see you in the next video.